Hello, I'm Andy Norman from Antek Automation and welcome to Quick Tips. Today's message is aimed squarely at law firms, though honestly it applies to any service business that lives and dies by the phone. Here's the situation. Every single week there's a new enterprise AI platform launching and they all promise the same things: more power, more flexibility, more integration, bigger, cleverer, more capable, and the message underneath all of it, whether they say it out loud or not, is always the same. This is getting more complex, not less, and I want to give you permission to do something that feels counterintuitive. If you run a firm, you can ignore almost all of it. Let me explain why. You don't need a distributed architecture. You don't need a knowledge-based rebuild. You don't need an AI strategy document with 40 slides. You need one thing, done reliably: the phone answered when a prospective client rings, the inquiry qualified so you know whether it's a real case for you, and the consultation booked before that person hangs up and calls the next firm on their search results. That's it. For the overwhelming majority of firms, that is the entire game. Everything else is noise. Now think about what's actually at stake on those calls, because it raises the bar. Someone ringing a law firm is often having one of the worst days of their life. They've been arrested or served papers, or they're frightened about their immigration status. They are not going to leave 3 voicemails and wait patiently. They ring, and if you don't answer, they ring the next firm and that firm gets the retainer. So the way I see it, you've got 2 paths in front of you. Path 1, you chase the platforms built for engineers. They are genuinely powerful and they are complete overkill for a 4-attorney practice. You'll spend months in implementation, you'll spend a small fortune, and at the end of it your phone still won't be properly covered after 5 o'clock. Path 2, you deploy a purpose-built tool that simply answers your phones today. Most firms need Path 2, and they need it now, because every after-hours call going to voicemail is potential revenue walking straight out the door to a competitor. Let me give you a practical filter you can use the next time someone tries to sell you something. Ask one question. Does this answer my phone and book my consultations, yes or no? That's it. If the answer comes back wrapped in jargon about infrastructure, orchestration, large language model pipelines and data lakes, then it was not built for you. It was built for a Fortune 500 IT department, and you are not that. Complexity is not a badge of honor. I'll say that again because the industry has it backwards. Complexity is not a badge of honor. Capturing the caller is. After 30 years in service operations, I can tell you with complete confidence that the firms winning at this aren't the ones with the cleverest technology stack. They're the boringly reliable ones who simply never miss the call. So to recap: 1. Ignore the platforms built for engineers. They're not aimed at you. 2. Insist on a tool that does the one job that matters. 3. Judge absolutely everything by whether it answers and books, and ignore the rest. The full piece is on the blog. I'm Andy Norman. This has been Antek Automation. Find us at antekautomation.com.